how to log in into your DBS Bank app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your DBS Bank mobile banking app. So let us begin. First, make sure that you've installed the app. You can install this app from your App Store or Google Play Store, whichever is fine. And after you've installed it, open it up. Now, after you've opened it up, all you need to do is log in. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for DigiBank from right here. Now you can do this. You can, select your options and first sign up. After signing up, and if you already have an account, tap on login. After you tap on login, you will get an option where you can type in your user ID and then your PIN. If you've forgotten your user ID or your PIN, you can reset it from here, these two options. After you've done that, you can log in. You can even set up your Face ID after you logged in. And that is how you log in into your DBS banking app. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.